zlatou medaili.
The second gold medal in the category Military and Security Equipment was awarded to the exhibit Titus. The producer was Nexter Systems and the exhibitor was Tatra Export. Titus is an all-wheel drive armored personnel carrier, produced in collaboration with the company Nexter Systems. It's an original combination of a Tatra chassis, which was adapted to provide the vehicle with excellent mobility, and a turret. The turret is provided by Nexter Systems and is a system for protecting the crew and allowing the vehicle to manage the tasks in front of it. The powertrain is protected by a central backbone tube accompanied by independent swinging half axles. This has meant that the chassis in particular needed to be adapted to make the first and last turrets controllable. This allows movement both in difficult off-road terrain and in built-up suburbs, where such vehicles have been increasingly deployed recently.